Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So there's two different power saving modes, and you can find them both under the settings and battery. And you have the low power mode and the super saving mode. So both of them can enable this one, so I'll just turn on well now, give it a moment. We don't want location. So right now we gain about an hour and something. It was 12 hours and I didn't really pay attention to minutes, but now we're at 13 hours and 20 minutes of battery life. Or you can also go wild and enable this one, and this will just change the way the entire device kind of looks like. Basically setting everything to black and white and showing you as little information as you possibly can get. Now I'm pretty sure you can still get into options somehow, I just don't know how, or it looks like I can't here. So it looks like in this mode actually you're limited only to the phone and the messaging, so you can open either one of those and they will work fine, but anything else is basically now disabled. And if you want to leave this mode, you can just simply tap right here on the exit button, and this will go back to just a normal, I believe normal power saving mode, because I think it's still enabled. So let's actually disable that as well. Oh, no, it actually disables automatically as well. So you can see one gives you about an hour and the other one gives you no idea how much, because I couldn't even gain access to settings. But based on the fact that the previous one was just lowering brightness and disabling like background data and give an hour, then this would probably give you about 3 hours, I would say. So just a nice way of boosting your battery if you're in a real need for just to, you know, get as much as you can. But that is basically how you would enable both of them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.